The question says which among the following elements has the tendency to form a covalent compound. Question is related to determine covalent characters. Okay. Question related to covalent character, always use Fajan's rule. Okay. According to Fajan's rule, smaller the size of cation, smaller the size of cation, higher its polarizing power, and higher is its covalent characters, and higher is its covalent characters. Remember, higher is its covalent character. Very interesting. Let's say we have a cation having positive charge. As its size decreases, its polarizing power increases, and then its covalent character also increases. These all elements are given from the second group elements. Second group, okay, we have beryllium, magnesium, and calcium. Then we have barium. These four elements are given here: beryllium, magnesium, calcium, and barium. Strontium is not given. If we move from top to bottom, size what happens? Increases. Size increases means barium is having largest size and beryllium is having largest size and beryllium is having smallest size. Smaller the size of element, smaller the size of cation, higher is its polarizing power. Magnitude of the charge will be very high. Then tendency to pull the electron from anion will be very high. Hence, it will have higher covalent characters. Since beryllium is having smallest size, it will have higher magnitude of the charge, higher polarizing power, hence higher covalent character. Option B is correct. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.